Well, I hope you're having a beautiful day, replanting and planting new stuff and sending the day away. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, butterfly, I know you thought I forgot. I didn't. Sometimes it takes me a while, but I promise so far in the past 12 months only forgot one person, and thank God she forgave me. Come on, turn around. It doesn't want to turn around now. That's the top. Smooth as a baby's butt. Now I gotta just tear off a little. That's not too bad. It looks rough, but it's not as rough as it looks. I'll have to get the Dremel and touch that up a little teeny bit. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. I'm working on these right now. Oh, that one's good. That one's good. Oh, these are pretty good after all. Okay. And I'll probably get out the Dremel tomorrow. I'll set up again, get out the Dremel, and in there. Yeah. I know you thought I forgot, huh? No. I did not forget you, my dear. Really feels good. I'm shocked. Because after all, who wants to touch something and get a splinter? I'll be back. Should have put some gloves on. Oh, well, life goes on. Okay, I'm keeping a very good diary of all you guys tell me how to raise these darn plants. And I'm going to put my Queen Anne's there. Probably there and there. I didn't put my seeds in hot water. And then I'm going to plant my onions right there and right there. I think. Where is he going? Spirit, no. No, 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 no. Come back here. Of course, he's on a leash. I just don't like the leash getting stuck right there at the water thing. So, I'm going to plant these and make a note and put this in my plant folder so I can keep on making good notes, good notes, good notes. You know? I got 2 now. Look at that. Yay. I'm so happy. One of these days, I'm going to try and put that in resin. Come on. Grow, grow, grow. Yeah, so Mama can have lots of good medicine. Yeah, so I got my onions in some water, so I don't have to disturb the dirt today. I'll disturb the dirt in probably, I don't know, what, 3 days? Water it again? Yeah. So, here's to just doing things better. Whatever. I'm glad he's enjoying his loud motor thing. Spirit! Spirit! What you doing? No. Go sit under the tree. Don't be eating that you're not supposed to be eating, okay? I guess I could have turned the TV off, huh? And there's Mr. Spirit, magic, magic. You're not supposed to be laying in the windowsill. He doesn't usually do that, so I'm not gonna get on him before you think I'm gonna scold him. I don't scold him all the time, just when I'm making videos, huh? Anyway, go have an awesome day, folks. I love you. He won't shoot. Oh, really? Oh, that's the guy on the other side of the fence. It's okay, Spirit. He's not coming this way today. So, what are you doing? Seniors, are you keeping yourself? Say, Mama is keeping us plenty busy and herself. She has no room on her lap for any of us because she's sanding. and planting. And we're going to turn this off right now so we don't get in trouble for playing Stevie Wonder in the background. Oh, let me stop him. Which one is he? He's this one. Yeah. So I don't hear nobody shit. Really love me. Oh, you're going to get tangled up right there, princess. Damn it. Have a great day, folks. It's beautiful. That's why we're outside. You get some outside air and sunshine too, okay? Love you. Bye. We are outside. I'm sanding and planting. It's a beautiful day.